Let's now go to identification of patterns. Let's discuss exterior. The differentiation of exterior and interior is not made on the basis of what caused the disharmony, but on the basis of the location of the disease. For example, a disease may be caused by an exterior pathogenic factor, but if this is affecting the internal organs, the condition will be classified as interior. Therefore, a disease is classified as exterior not because it derived from an exterior pathogenic factor, but because its manifestations are such that they are located in the exterior of the body. The eight principles. First, interior, exterior, hot and cold, full empty or excess deficiency, and yin and yang. Exterior. We should first define the exterior of the body. Exterior of the body comprises the skin, muscles, and channels. More specifically, the exterior refers to the space between skin and muscles. This is the space where the defensive chi and sweat are located, and it is also the space that is first invaded by external pathogenic factors. This space is also sometimes called lungs defensive chi portion. A condition is defined as exterior when the pathogenic factors are located in the exterior as defined above. At the risk of being repetitive, a condition is therefore defined as exterior according to its location, that is, the exterior, and not according to the etiology, that is, the external wind. The diagnosis of exterior condition is therefore made on the basis of its clinical manifestations. Skin, muscles, and channels are the exterior of the body, and the internal organs the interior. The clinical manifestations arising from invasion of exterior by a pathogenic factor are called an exterior pattern, while the manifestations arising from a disharmony of the internal organs is called interior pattern. When we say that an exterior condition affects the skin, muscles, and channels, we mean that these areas have been invaded by an exterior pathogenic factor, giving rise to typical exterior clinical manifestations. However, it would be wrong to assume that any problem manifesting on the skin is an exterior pattern. In fact, most chronic skin problems are due to an interior pattern manifesting on the skin. There are two types of exterior conditions, those that affect skin and muscles and are caused by an exterior pathogenic factor having an acute onset, such as in invasion of wind cold or wind heat, and those that affect the channels and have a slower onset, such as in painful obstruction syndrome. Thank you for your attention.